హాయ్ వివర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి ఫర్ మోర్ అప్కమింగ్ వీడియోస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. Hi viewers, in this class we have to learn about the relations and functions topic. In IPI generation topic weightage is 15 marks. In this is important for 4 more problem. Let f maximum R2R is defined by f of x equal to x plus 1, g of x equal to 2x minus 3, find f plus g, f minus g, f by g. Then solution. Given f of x equal to x plus 1 and g of x equal to 2x minus 3. In this we have to find f plus g of x. f plus g of x. That is f of x plus g of x. f of x value is x plus 1 plus 2x minus 3. Then f plus g of x value is x plus 2x, 3x plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. Second one, f minus g of x. That is nothing but f of x minus g of x. f of x value is x plus 1 minus 2x minus 3. Then x plus 1 minus into plus minus 2x minus into minus plus 3. Then f minus g of x value is 3 plus 1 4 minus x minus 2x, then x. Third one is f by g of x. This is nothing but f of x by g of x. Here f of x value is x plus 1 by 2x minus 3. This is f by g of x. Please note down.